Get last n lines of a file, similar to tail. I'm writing a log file viewer for a web application, and for that I want to paginate through the lines of the log file. The items in the file are line-based with the newest item at the bottom. So I need a tail method that can read end lines from the bottom and support an offset. This is hat I came up with. Is this a reasonable approach? What is the recommended way to tail log files with offsets?
The code I ended up using. I think this is the best so far.
This may be quicker than yours. Makes no assumptions about line length. Backs through the file one block at a time till it's found the right number of \n characters. I don't like tricky assumptions about line length when, as a practical matter, you can never know things like that. Generally, this will locate the last 20 lines on the first or second pass through the loop. If your 74-character thing is actually accurate, you make the block size 2048, and you'll tail 20 lines almost immediately. Also, I don't burn a lot of brain calories trying to finesse alignment with physical OS blocks. Using these high-level I/O packages, I doubt you'll see any performance consequence of trying to align on OS block boundaries. If you use lower-level I/O, then you might see a speed-up. Update. For Python 3.2 and up, follow the process on bytes as in text files. Those opened without a B in the mode string, only seeks relative to the beginning of the file are allowed. The exception being seeking to the very file end with seek 0, 2. E.g. f equals open c column, /apache_logs.txt, airbay.
Assumes a Unix-like system on Python 2 you can do. For Python 3 you may do.
Here is my answer. Pure Python. Using timeit it seems pretty fast. Tailing 100 lines of a log file that has 100,000 lines. Here is the code.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.